Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review with the Milwaukee Random All-Orbital Polisher and these 7-inch pads. So the Milwaukee has this nub here. You're going to put an M18 volt battery on here. I can adjust the speed. Now it's got Velcro already on it. The Milwaukee comes with this pre-installed and it is 6 inches. But I've been putting my 7-inch. These pads here are 7 inches and they fit right on there. Even this one that has the polishing wheel, now right there, it is 6 inches on the inside. So I can put it on there, and now I can really do some polishing with this. It's got the nub here, I can change the speed. Yeah, it works really good, fits in my hand really well. These have different levels of coarseness. This one here is pretty stiff and pretty coarse, and you work your way up. This one's really stiff and coarse too, and they get like softer as you go. This kit that has the polishing parts in it also comes with this that you can put on another one. And again, it's exactly 7 inches that has the other part of the Velcro on there. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.